What's up and welcome back to my channel. My name's Kay and today's video is actually a tutorial and a first impressions on the Proceed with Caution eyeshadow palette that was created in collaboration with MakeupShayla and Colourpop. So if you'd like to see how I created this look or just my thoughts on the palette, just keep watching. Along with the Proceed with Caution eyeshadow palette, 2 blushes, 2 lipsticks, and 2 lip liners were also released as part of this entire collection. The eyeshadow palette retails for $12 and is available now on Colourpop.com. The eyeshadow palette has 9 shades. Alright, with all of that information out of the way, let's get into the tutorial. To start, I prepped the eyelids with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade 36, and now I'm going to go all over the lid with the shade Proceed. This is the lightest matte shade in the palette, and I'm just using that basically to set the concealer. Now I'm going to go into Culture and use that as my transition shade in the crease. I do like this color, but it is taking me a little bit to build up, a little bit more than I was expecting, but it is a good transition color. Now I'm going to start to go into the crease and outer V with Maintenance. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend that out. Now I'm going in with just a touch more of Maintenance on both sides and blending it out. Now I'm going to take Caution in the inner corner and the lid. Now I'm going to go back in the outer V with Maintenance. Now I am loving this cranberry and yellow look, but I am going to go in with one of the metallic colors, and that is going to be Dead End. And I'm going to place that in the inner corner. That is gorgeous. And that's what it's looking like without any setting spray. Now I don't want that yellow area to look just patchy, so now I do want to see how that metallic performs with just a little bit of setting spray. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Now I'm smudging Gloves on the lash line. Now I'm going over that shade with a liquid black eyeliner. Alright, so this is what we're looking like so far. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and come back so we can finish the lower lash line. Alright, I'm back and ready to move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to start by using Culture and basically mimicking what I did on the lid. Now I'm going to go in with Caution in the inner corner before I go with any of the other deeper colors, because I really do want to make the yellow pop from the inner corner. Now I'm going to go back in the outer corner with Maintenance. And I'm actually going to go right in the center with Dead End. And to finish off the eyes, I'm applying a couple coats of the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris. Alright, now that's the final eye look, and I'm going to zoom you out to give you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, so here's the final look with full makeup and using the Proceed with Caution palette. So my final thoughts is that I would definitely recommend this palette. I didn't use every single shade in this palette, but of all the ones that I used, I loved them all. I will say that maybe the only one I had a little bit of trouble with is Dead End, which is this nice beautiful, which is this shade right here. And it's not even that I had that many issues with it, it just wasn't as pigmented as I thought it would be, so I definitely had to go in a few times to get the desired pigment that I wanted. But honestly, once I wet it with setting spray, it was great and it worked fine, and you can see it is very beautiful and vibrant on my eyes. I also really loved this Caution shade, the yellow shade in there, which I think is the shade that most people were excited about, and I would say it's definitely a win. Proceed was the perfect shade to set my concealer with, and the shade Gloves On was a beautiful shade to smoke along the lash line. It was actually very, very pigmented, and even with the gold flecks in there, it still performs like a black matte shadow, which is really nice. Like I said, I would definitely recommend this palette, and I definitely see myself getting lots of use out of this in the future. Well, that wraps up my thoughts and the tutorial on the Proceed with Caution Shayla and Colourpop collaboration for round 2. I thought this was a hit, and I'm so glad that I purchased it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more videos like it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night. Bye!